Jason Bond from the Bull Microcap Fund. One of the best ideas in my fund right now is ZTEST Electronics, ticker ZTE in Canada and ZTSTF over the counter. ZTEST, through its wholly owned subsidiary Permatech, is a tiny printed circuit board manufacturer that is now growing significantly. First half 2024 revenues were 88% higher than first half 2023 revenues. In December 2022, then President John Perot retired and was replaced by Suren Jayanayagam, who has been with the company over 30 years. Whereas Perot did not have any desire to grow the business, Jayanayagam has a vision to grow the business and has been aggressive in driving revenue growth. Jayanayagam is directly involved in the sales process, working with the company's one other salesperson. The company currently has a strong backlog of orders, which they expect to continue. Jayanayagam has stated that the most recent record quarter is repeatable in terms of revenue and net income. More and more customers are looking for domestic manufacturers rather than looking overseas. Furthermore, the company has recently ordered new equipment, which was installed in May of this year. This equipment doubles the number of production lines the company has from 2 to 4, and ultimately this will more than double production capacity, as the new equipment is more efficient because of some automation components. Also, the company is now expanding into the United States and has a significant customer there. This customer is likely to do large repeat orders after the current order is complete. Large orders have higher gross margins due to bulk inventory orders and economies of scale. Finally, the company has a 25.3% ownership stake in Conversance, which is a private AI and blockchain company developing a secure marketplace platform for the cannabis industry. Conversance is expected to begin producing revenues in the second half of 2024. Although ZTEST's most recent quarter, in which they earn 0.011315 per share, is their best so far, the company has a strong backlog, expanded manufacturing capacity, and a leader, President Suren Jayanayagam, very focused on growth. Here are the metrics of cheapness based on annualizing the most recent quarter. Enterprise value to EBITDA is 2.52. Price to earnings ratio is 4.49. Price to book is 4.68. Price to cash flow is 3.00. Price to sales is 0.69. These multiples are very low indeed. The market cap is $7.08 million. Cash is $732,000, while debt is $153,000. The Piotrowski F-score is 7, which is good. Insider ownership is 36.7%, which is excellent. ROE is 76.5%, which is superb and likely sustainable. Here are the intrinsic value scenarios. Low case, if there's a bear market or a recession, the stock could decline. This would be a buying opportunity. Mid case, annualizing the last quarter's result and applying a 10x enterprise value to net income multiple yields a valuation of 0.4526 per share, which is over 120% higher than today's 0.2035 per share stock price. High case, it's likely that ZTEST can achieve net income above their last record quarter. Annual earnings may reach 0.10 per share. Applying a 10x enterprise value to net income multiple gives a valuation of $1, which is over 390% higher than today's 0.2035. This still does not count any value from the company's 25.3% ownership of Conversance. Risks. In the past, ZTEST has had supply chain problems that slowed production. However, Suren Jayanayagam and other top executives have said that there is currently no concern regarding the supply chain. The printed circuit board industry has many competitors and no barriers to entry, but ZTEST stands out with quality products, good customer service, and quick turnaround times.